Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make this amazing tattoo design. So as you can look at it on the screen, it looks very professional. So I'm going to be giving you the easy steps on how to do this. And we have on my left the resource which I'm going to use to make this design. So I'm going to put the link in my description so that you'll be able to download it to use it in your own practicing or your own design if you want to design it too. So alright, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to bring our resource, go to trace bitmap, select quick trace. So once it has been traced, we're going to go to ungroup all objects. Alright, so we're going to go back and then highlight it. So we're going to delete the part which you do not need. So we're going to delete this too. And this is all that we need. So first of all, I'm going to give this black color, this like semicircle. I'm gonna give this small circle a black color too. I'm gonna go to my common shapes right here. I'm gonna go to my star tool. I'm gonna draw a star. I'm gonna give it a white color. Give it a white outline. So to give it a white outline, I'm gonna right click on the star tool, the color palette rather, and then we're gonna go to bitmaps, convert to bitmaps. So resolution of 300 dpi is okay. Then go to effects, go to blur, and straight to Gaussian blur. And here we have, let's say the radius of 3 pixels should be okay. Alright, so we're gonna delete this small circle over here. We're gonna bring this. Let's reduce the size of it. So we're gonna duplicate. So to duplicate is Ctrl D. Gonna bring this down here. So we're gonna make it smaller. Let me zoom in a bit. Gonna duplicate again. Mouse. It's gone somewhere else. And this is bigger. We want it to be the same size. Let's increase this a bit. Then we're gonna make another duplicate. So remember to duplicate is Ctrl D. Let's make another duplicate. I'm gonna bring to this side. Make more duplicates. Let's go to the bottom again. So bring it. I'll just make one last duplicate on this. And then for the other parts, let's make another duplicate. Oh, it's gone somewhere else. I'm gonna bring it right here. Alright, so this looks good. So the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go to our ellipse tool. Just gonna draw a circle. I need to cover it completely. Not like cover it completely, but like, you know, just to match with the lines of this inner space. We're gonna bring this down. Let me zoom in a bit. Alright, this looks good. So we're gonna give it a white color. Then we're gonna hold our control and our page down to take it to the bottom. So control plus page down. This looks good. So we're going to go to our bitmaps, convert to bitmaps, the same resolution of 300 dpi, and go to our effects, straight to blur, then Gaussian blur. So let's increase our radius. Let's increase it more. Let's say it should be good. So radius of 95.5 pixels, so you can adjust it to your own liking if you want. You can reduce it if you want. So that's okay for you. And then once I've done this, I'm gonna select this other shape. I don't know what I'm gonna call it, but you know, the main design, the main tattoo design. So I'm gonna select it, go to our shadow tool. We're gonna drag from the top down. We're gonna make sure that it's all aligned. Alright, so we're gonna drag this down. We're gonna go to our feathering direction. We're gonna select middle. Okay, and here it is. We are done with this design. You can see how it looks exactly like the original design. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.